If you're an Amazon influencer and you're not leveraging the Viral Vue web app, I'm about to blow your mind. I can't take myself serious with this hat, but it is kind of cool. Anyways, all jokes aside, we're going to be talking about the Viral Vue web app. Most people don't even understand how to use it, let alone know that we actually have a web app that allows you to work smarter, not harder, and increase your commissions while doing so. So if that sounds good, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, and let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna dive right into it. And the first is the profits dashboard. So how you access the web app is go to app.viralvue.com. You can also come to the extension shortcut pop-up and click web app. It will take you in here. You go to profits, and how you basically sync the profits is you go to your earnings dashboard and you'll have the extension and you just refresh earnings on both on and offsite store IDs, and it will populate your lifetime earnings, the revenue generated, items sold, your earnings through Viral Vue, and it will show you literally everything that you need to know. So you have an overview showing the graph, you have your associates, your off and on site, you have device performance, you have the top earning categories. You can come over here to the influencer on site and see which products are producing the best. So like which ones are the best ROI. So you can see like these products, 389% return. You can come to associates, you can come to creator connections, and you can see which campaigns are performing the best. You can come to revival opportunities, and this is where basically you can find which products were selling well and now aren't. And you can retag them. For example, with the parent ASIN, maybe you update with a new thumbnail, new title, or make a second video. Lots of different strategies that you can do to revive dead videos. So for example, this product has generated quite a bit in revenue, $5,000, but it hasn't generated a sale since 2024. So maybe I need to redo the video, or maybe I need to retag it, or this one right here, it's been a couple months since January. Oh no, that's been a year. Haven't generated anything, but it's generated me 153. So maybe I need to retag it or do a second video. Lots of cool things with the profits dashboard. Again, all the data that you would ever need to know, all from one portal. Super slick. The next feature that I want to jump into is our media kit. So this is something that you can create, and it pulls information from the profits dashboard, and it allows you to send a URL to brands to show your credibility. A lot of brands are asking for this, and a lot of brands want to know who they're working with and whether or not they're legit. And this is going to make it so that you look legit. So if we come over here, grab this URL. So it's kit.media/whatever username you want to create. We'll pop it up into the URL, and this is what it's going to look like. So you can see that it's verified data. You have a bio, you have your storefront link, your Instagram, YouTube. You can hit contact for collaboration, and it will show the email. You can see the earnings. And you can see that they're verified. You can see when was this active. You can put a rate card. You can literally adjust whatever you want. And if we come over here, you can make things private. You can disclose things or not. It's totally customizable and up to you. All of these different features that I'm going over, they're a super high level overview. So I'll put a link in the description that breaks down each individual one. If you're like, okay, I need to go into more depth on this, I want to learn more about it. Again, the links will be in the description, but I just wanted to give you a high level overview because the web app seriously in of itself is so valuable and not enough people are leveraging it. So I want to get this basically out and so that people know. So the media kit is huge. Again, you can customize it to whatever you want. The next is one of my personal favorites is brand deals because it allows you to have all of the information that you need in one place. So no more spreadsheets, no more manually adding things. Everything is automatically added to the web app, and I'll show you kind of how this works. So this brand deals tab, basically anytime you use a Viral Vue automation, so for example, you come over here to creator connections and you use our brand messaging outreach. So if I send messages to these brands, again, you can just click the checkbox, you hit the send message, and it's going to go and automatically send the messages to these brands. These products are going to be automatically added to our brand deal sheet, which makes it super easy to know what is the status of each brand deal. So you can come over here and you can see the product name, you can see the image, you can see the product price, you can get the parent ASIN, the child ASIN, you can see literally everything that you need to know. And you can update the status of every single thing just from one dashboard. Again, I have an entire video that walks you through this process, and we also have a little learn button right here. So if you click the learn button, you can actually see an in-depth tutorial that walks you through the process. So every single feature inside the web app, there is actually a video, a learn video, and it just helps you understand how to actually leverage the tool. So this is really cool, makes it super nice. And then one little bonus tip for you guys, this media links icon, you can add your YouTube links, you can add your Instagram links right here. And what it will allow you to do is when it comes time to submitting content, so if you come over here to Creator Connections, you come to the Active tab, and instead of manually submitting content for all of these campaigns, you can come right here, hit Submit All Content, and you can submit from media links. So again, if you have YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest links, they will also be submitted to the corresponding campaigns, basically automating the entire process. So again, the whole purpose of the web app is to make an all-in-one workflow. So you're not bouncing from this tool to this tool to this spreadsheet to this sheet. It's just all integrated into one place, which makes it super nice. So let's come back to the web app and come to another really cool feature, which is URL Vue, which is a deep linking service directly integrated with Viral Vue. So no more having to use a third-party tool outside of your workflow. We have it all built into one system. So URL Vue directly ties into the extension, it directly ties into the web app, and it directly ties into when it comes to, for example, finding and accepting campaigns. So I'll show you what that looks like. And so here's just an example of how URL Vue is integrated into Viral Vue. We'll come to Creator Connections, you hit accept related campaigns, and this automation, if you hit accept links, what it will do is it will pull the ASINs from your deep links, cross-check Creator Connections, and if there's a campaign available, it will find and accept it on your behalf. So it just, again, automates the process and makes it super seamless. And if this is your first time hearing about deep links, it's super powerful, and Amazon has actually released an email case study that says by using deep links, it's going to increase your conversion rate by up to 50%, which is just mind-blowing. And Amazon themselves recommends using deep links, and Viral Vue has it all integrated into one platform. So really love that feature. So again, URL Vue, and if you are a pro subscriber, you get access to URL Vue included in your subscription, which is really cool. And now to the next feature. There is a lot. I'm trying to make this as concise as possible. And the next, which is a super underrated tool, is called ASIN Finder. This allows you to plug in a list of ASINs. So maybe you get a DM on Instagram with a big list of ASINs and it says, hey, which product do you want to review? Or you're looking for a specific list of products, or you get a big list from an agency like this that has 300 products. You can literally just copy the list, come over here to ASIN Finder, paste it in, and this is formatted with the URLs. And if I hit return, it's going to pull the ASIN from the URL, and then you can hit submit. And what this is going to do is it's going to pull all of the product data on each of these products and let you know which one has the most potential and which ones you should avoid. So here's the perfect example. There is a product right here. It's doing $80,000 a month, and there is one total influencer video. And so that is a product that I would want to review compared to this one that's doing a lot less revenue, that has top carousel that's completely full and with 39 competing influencer videos. So ASIN Finder is super powerful. The next is Product Finder, and this is going to allow you to come over here to the filters, and you can find products that fit your criteria, whatever that looks like. So let's just say I'm looking for products that are between this price point that are doing at least $10,000 a month. I don't want any more than 5 influencer videos, and I want there to be at least 1 merchant video, and I can hit confirm. And just like that, it's going to populate products that fit that criteria. And boom, we have over 500 products that all are selling an insane amount. I mean, 300,000, 250,000. And the total influencer video count, 4, 1, 2. They have a merchant video, which means there's top carousel availability. And these are products that you may want to invest in, or maybe you want to reach out to the brand to collaborate. The web app is jam-packed with feature after feature. And the last one that we're going to end on is the orders tab. So if we come over here, this is where all of your products that you scan from your Amazon order history populate. So it allows you to basically sift through the data without having to be logged into an Amazon account or have to constantly be refreshing the page or going through each individual page. You just have it in one place. So you can see I have 1,300 products. I can come over here and I can filter out whatever I want and find products that I own at my house that have the most potential. So like this product right here, It's doing $62,000 a month. There's only 3 total influencer videos. Why have I not reviewed this product? Or this license plate frame, it's doing 23,000 and it only has 2 influencer videos. So this allows you to scan your order history, scan other people's order history, and it pulls into the Viral Vue web app for you to be able to sift through and find the best products that you want to review. Again, the whole purpose of the Viral Vue web app is to integrate from the extension, integrate into your workflow, to help you ditch the spreadsheets, to not have to have 5 million different subscriptions. You can have everything in one place. And I hope that this is insightful. You guys learned something. And again, if you have questions on each of the individual tools, you can log in, come to this learn button, and boom, there's a step-by-step tutorial that breaks down each individual tool that I just went over. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are not yet subscribed to Viral Vue, I'll put the link in the description, but I appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, we'll see you there.